let's go. It's Funko Friday.
Funko Friday.
We have a challenge.
What?
A challenge.
What?
A duel.
Oh my god.
To the death.
Really?
No.
Oh. Darn it.
Yeah, so way back, you can see some of the challenge videos that we were trying to do, and then we lost a whole bunch of them.
So how are they going to see if we lost a bunch of them?
Well, there's one or two still there. We're starting from fresh, even though I was way ahead.
So, it don't matter.
MysteryGrail.com. Pretty sure this is last week. Pretty sure this is this week.
Why don't you look at the dates on it?
Yeah, I could probably just look at the dates on them. But which one do you want? Pick your poison for the challenge. So the loser on the next challenge video will have to dress up as something. I am taking this one. Jen is taking that one.
I'm so glad you do it away from you.
I know.
I got it!
Okay, I'll give it to her. I will pull this out of the way to give it a fair chance. Grail's a grail for Mr. Grail, but our luck with Mr. Grail is 1 and 3 currently. So we get to move 2 more points either one side or the other. So hopefully one of us wins at least.
Oh my. Oh my. Mine.
You're not a
Mine.
Alright. Can I move? So we will be going by PPG value.
PPG?
PPG.
Oh, PPG.
Pop. Price guide. Sharp things aplenty. Cut away from you. Don't be like me. So Jen got to choose first, so she gets to go first.
Ew.
Tootsie Roll from the last week.
Alright, we have my first mystery box. As always, the white thing.
You want it to be bad, but you want it to be good at the same time.
We have Bugs Bunny.
That's cool. Looney Tunes.
Oh, it's Bugs Bunny dressed up as the opera singer.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Tootsie Rose. Tootsie Rose.
My first one.
Not a star.
Wow. I don't see a step.
I see an upside down pop. Oh, what is that?
Psycho Shriner Funko Limited Edition. Just a Funko pop. Pretty cool, actually. I like this one.
He looks like he needs to go to the dentist.
Right. What candy was in yours?
2 Tootsie Rolls.
Oh, there must be on Tootsie Roll for you.
Marissa, eat it.
You're up.
Which one, guys? Which one? Which one? This one? Alrighty.
We each get our own scratchers too. They're the tiebreakers.
Oh, the tie wrappers.
Or we can call it second challenge. What do you want to call it?
Tie wrappers.
Tiebreakers.
It's Baby Yoda, the child. Sorry, the child.
Grogu.
You can show it to them.
I have that one.
I have that one.
There you go. Yeah,
They can't see it up
368.
there.
That was one of the first ones that came out.
That was one of the first ones that we bought too. Six pennies.
And number 2 for me. Plow. I don't see a star.
I don't see a star either. See Donald Duck.
Kingdom Hearts Donald Duck.
Oh, that's cool.
Hot Topic exclusive. These should be fairly decent pops as far as somewhat value. Yeah. You guys hear whimpering in the background. That's our dog.
The other one will start going in a minute.
Yeah.
There he goes. Meatball!
No star.
No star, but
So you can just pull it back and look.
Oh.
Teddy Roosevelt.
Teddy Roosevelt. Theodore Roosevelt.
It's still cool though.
Tootsie Roll!
Yeah, dude, it's hot there. I'm not doing much better.
I was going to say. Time will tell. This
But
has
my third one
this has the star in it though.
is wow.
No star.
No star. I see a theme here. It's Vanitas, I think the name is. Kingdom Hearts. Pretty cool one. It isn't looking so good, guys.
We have one each left.
Last one.
All right, number 4. And the star is
Not there. You can flip it up.
not there. I don't even know what the heck that is.
Go Tomago. No, it's for Big Hero 6.
I don't even know what a big hero
Go
is.
Tomago. Not looking good at all. At least it'd be a close challenge. As long as there's not a star on this
There
one.
better not be a star. If there's a star, I'm slapping you.
Not a star.
Okay, good.
Number 4.
Venom.
Gwenum. Yep, Gwen.
Oh,
Venom. It's not Gwen, that's Venom. From the Carnage series, I believe. Yeah. It's cool. I like that one.
okay, so.
We go to the PPG.
I get bonus points. I get bonus points.
We will total hers up.
I get bonus points though.
For what?
Because mine's going a different way.
First one. Teddy Roosevelt.
Theodore.
$16.
$16. Chubb.
Yeah, Chubb's on the floor, making all kinds of noise. Chow. That's 11.
So I'm at what?
27.
27.
Looney Tunes. Bugs Bunny.
Bugs, come on, Bugs. Come on, Bugs.
$8.
Bugs is not smiling down on
That's
me.
like 35.
Sure.
And Go Tomago. $9. Put you at what, 44? My turn. I will start with Donald.
Donald the Duck.
It's covered. Has a sticker on it. Donald 267. Oh, I need that.
It's $12.50.
Why did that not come up? We're gonna move on while Jen takes that out of the case and pulls the sticker off of it.
Maybe.
Maybe. So Psycho Shriner. $23.
I'm focusing on something, thank you.
Vanitas Kingdom Hearts. $11. So that is $34. I only need $10 to beat you.
We have the scratch offs too.
Not sure if this one will do it, but Venom is $14.
You beat me.
I have beat Jen. That puts me at 48.
We still got these.
Yep, I still gotta scan that one.
And now I talk about the
Yeah.
scratchies.
We'll see where we're at. And Donald Duck is 15. So that put me 48, 58, 63.
Yeah, it made you a winner, okay? We get it.
So technically I got my money back and we lost on that. So that's why we finished going through the rest of it.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, we're going to go through the scratchers.
Oh, I got the lucky penny.
So we are 2 and 4.
Wait, how do these work?
They were just the tiebreakers, remember?
No.
I can't even enter them anyways because we're having issues. Good thing.
You have all twos?
All 200s.
I got two twos and 5.
2s and a 5.
And no 2.
Yeah.
I usually do pretty good.
800 points.
More.
Yeah. So, that's about it, guys. Jen lost. So, give us some comments. And we'll see if we can accommodate to get Jen to dress up. We'll see.
Maybe.
Give us some good ones, guys. Could be anywhere as simple as a crazy hat to a full-on costume.
I'm not wearing a full-on costume. It's not happening.
Yeah, so we have 2 and 4, like I said. 2 wins, 4 losses. It's not working out very well.
No, but we have fun.
Yeah, I
That's all
like
that
these.
matters.
Scratchers are cool. I mean, I can tell you one thing. They suck to put in. You make one little character difference.
Yeah, like zeros and O's.
Yeah, it's possible. But we appreciate you joining us. If you've been with us this long, please give us a like. And if you enjoy this content for Fridays, give us a thumbs up and then check out our yard sale videos. Pretty much doing them Mondays and Wednesdays.
Sourcing videos.
Sourcing video. Call it whatever you want. But
We had a good one today.
yeah, it was an interesting one for sure. Oh, I was trying to get a hold of us. But yeah.
So
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next one.